What's up guys, Pedro here, and on this video we're going to be making some sriracha. Coming up right after this. Welcome back. If we're just meeting, my name is Pedro, and on this channel we like to share recipes from our family and friends, and sometimes we just like to have fun. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Let's get right into the video. Okay, first I want to tell you that I got this recipe from a book called Hot Sauce by Jennifer Trainer Thompson. There's a lot of good recipes in this book, and if you'd like to pick you up a copy, I bought this off of Amazon.com, and I'll put a link to it in the description below. Okay, here are the ingredients that you're going to need. 1 cup of assorted red chilies, habanero, jalapeno, serrano, and or cayenne. You want them seeded and chopped. Now if you have a Ninja juicer like I do, you don't need to chop them because that joker will do the work. Okay, you're also going to need 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. You're going to want to put all these ingredients into a juicer or blender, magic bullet, whatever it is that you have, and pulse it, mix it, blend it until it's liquefied, and then you want to taste it. You might want to add a little bit more salt or sugar to it. Just taste it and see what you think. Okay, then you want to transfer your mixture from your blender or your juicer or whatever it is that you use. You want to transfer it into a saucepan. Okay, you got your 1 cup of assorted red chili peppers, and I've put 4 cloves of garlic in there, 3 or 4 cloves of garlic according to your taste. Then you have your 2 tablespoons, excuse me, 2 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar. Then you have 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm putting a teaspoon of salt in there. And then you have 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then you want to put all that together and put it in your juicer, excuse me, your juicer, your blender.
I'm using a Ninja juicer that we bought years ago. I love this thing because it mixes everything so well, seeds and all. Okay, I'm just going to throw this lid on here, mix this stuff up, and I'll be right back.
Okay, now that we've got it all blended up, we're going to transfer these ingredients to a saucepan, and we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. And we're going to cook it on medium heat. Oh, I got to get a spatula for this. Look at this. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Get a spatula and get all the little everything out of there. This stuff smells so good. Okay, so we cooked our ingredients on medium heat for 5 minutes. Now we let them cool. Now that they're cool, we're going to put them into this jar. It's pretty thick. Now this recipe is supposed to make approximately a cup of hot sauce. And that's pretty thick. Thicker than I thought it would be. This smells just like sriracha that you would buy at the store. I don't want to waste any. Okay guys, this is it right here. whoop, this is it right here. This stuff, I tasted it just now. It's pretty hot. It's pretty hot, but it does taste a lot like the sriracha that you would buy at the store. It tastes pretty much just like it. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please hit the like button and share it if you're so inclined. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Until next time, God bless. Y'all take care.